And here we have movie of Bob Rice's airplane collection, working from the entry of what we affectionately call the man cave. Apologize if the lighting's not as what it should be, but turned on as many lights as I possibly could. And zoom, it just doesn't want to pull up the planes that well. So hopefully we can get an idea of where we are. Should be 500 some odd planes, either in identification colors or in the country's colors that they were flown in. As you can see, there are examples of a lot of different planes, friends and foe. World War II, World War I, and some current. Mostly plastic. There's some die casts that will probably remain in the family. And over here we have a lot of World War I stuff. And if we go up here, we can see a lot of the silhouettes and the training planes. Some are authentic vintage World War II silhouettes, and some are models that were made to replace the fragile early plastic or Bakelite style that unfortunately have disintegrated, and we haven't been able to find a way to either straighten them out or preserve them better. Guess one way might be making a mold or two of them, but still, as we work back, we get back into some really neat stuff. I don't want to focus in very well. Sorry. Working with very little light.